PCEX Exchange has been flagged as a potential scam, with multiple reports raising concerns about its legitimacy. While the platform presents itself as a cryptocurrency trading and investment site, investigations suggest that it operates with questionable practices. Users have reported difficulty withdrawing funds, unresponsive customer support, and misleading claims of high returns with minimal risk. Additionally, the exchange lacks regulatory oversight from financial authorities like the FCA or ASIC, which increases the risk for investors. Further analysis indicates that PCEX Exchange may use fabricated metrics to lure users into depositing funds, only to prevent withdrawals through various excuses. The website's domain age is relatively new, which is a common trait for fraudulent exchanges that disappear after scamming users. Some reviews also highlight fake testimonials and manipulated social media promotions to make the platform appear trustworthy. Given these red flags, it is strongly advised to avoid investing in PCEX Exchange and instead use well-established regulated cryptocurrency platforms.